Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to set up for your lab that you're going to do today. I'm going to show you for one dish. Pay attention to your instructions. Do you need it for 2 or 3 depending on your variable? So the first thing you're going to get is your Petri dishes, and I'm just showing you one here. You're going to get a piece of paper towel, and if you click on the paper towel 2 to 3 times, you're going to get the exact size that you need, probably 3 times. And when you get the paper towel, what you want to do is to go ahead and fold it once and twice, because you want 4 layers of paper towel. So if I fold it twice, I'm going to get 4 layers. And then what I'm going to do is I want to make sure it's the bottom of a Petri dish so it fits. And what we want to do is go ahead and trace with a pencil so I don't leave marks the bottom of this Petri dish. And again, you're going to do this for however many times. I'm going to pretend like I have just 2. Some of you might need to do this 3 times today. And then you're going to go ahead and cut out the bottoms. And so I have done that already, just like a cooking show here. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to place these 4 layers in the bottom. And it's a pretty exact fit there. Now I want to divide this into 8 sections because you're going to put 8 different seeds into this Petri dish. And so I'm going to go ahead, just like a pie, go ahead and divide this into 8 separate sections. And you could actually do this outside there, it'd probably be a little neater. And then make sure this is with a Sharpie or it's going to run everywhere. And then I want you to go ahead and number. And I like to number on the outside of it just so it's a little easier. I have a little more room to write that number. So 6, 7, and 8. And then what you're going to do is I would first put the water in. And you're going to add 100 drops of water. This is my control, so this is 100 drops. And just to clarify, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, and you'll keep going. Your paper should be saturated with all that. So 100 drops of water. And then into each of the sections, you're going to place a very small little red clover seed. And they are tiny. That's why it's easier if the paper's wet, it should stay. So you want to go ahead and place 1 seed in each of that. So that's seed number 1, seed number 2, etc. As you go. So we'll pretend like I have a seed in each. The paper is saturated. Then the last step today is to go ahead and label your seeds. We need to know whose these are. So you're going to get some fancy special labeling tape. It's not cheap, so please use it sparingly. That's plenty for, in fact, even half that size would probably work. Would you please put your initials or your names or something, the period number, so we know who it is and where it is. And then I'm going to put a big C because this is my control. All right, so that way I know. And then if it's your control, they all should go in the window that has by the scissors, and they'll sit there overnight. Then you're going to repeat this for your other 2 dishes. What do you need to do? Are you going to change the amount of water? Are you going to add the same amount of water but place it in different places? So kind of pay attention to you need 2 or 3 dishes depending on the experiment you're doing. Thank you.